description.
All right. Happy New Year's Eve to y'all. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from it's a bulldog. It's a bulldog. Look, it's a bulldog and it's taco. Ooh. Isn't that exciting? So today I'm going to give my predictions for 2026. And that's going to be interesting because it's August 13th, 2025 currently. So I've got a ways to go, and actually I'm going to add a prediction for 2025 as well. Okay. So there we go. We're on. We're cooking. So let's see. Let me give you my predictions. First off, before 2026, before now, the president has a major, I don't know, it's at least brought out in the news, and it's a big deal, whether major or not, a medical episode of some sort, type, I don't know. But I predict that. I predict that it's like I'm the noodle prognosticator. I'm like, yeah. I predict that AI will not reach AGI by the end of 2026. I predict that as far as AI goes, we start to see some problems, some chinks in the armor, as they put it, with policy and the deal with NVIDIA and the Trump administration, and how they have kind of like a weird deal with like 15% of their profits from selling AI technology to China. That's gonna go away, if it hasn't already. I think McDonald's will keep coming out with fascinating and tantalizing menu items to spark your curiosity and your taste buds' happiness. That's my de facto. I say that every year. The other one I used to say every year was Betty White's gonna die, which is everybody's like, oh, that's what? But I love Betty White. It's like, well, all good things, Well, Betty White's a hoot. Like, she did some like really great stuff back in the day. Is this open? It is not. I have special things for this review, and I'm really worried I'm going to forget one of them, and that would suck. But I don't think I am. I think I got everything here. And what's crazy too is I really want to taste it before I do the I want to taste it really bad, but I'm not gonna die. So on the next episode, I will try it for real. Well, how are you supposed to do this? Does this actually... Oh yeah, that works. Well, we got 2 minutes. I don't want you to explode everywhere. Noodle seems like it'll be just fine. Okay, come on, open up. Let me guess. It's one of these. Now I gotta hurry. No, I guess I don't have to hurry all that much, but I've got a container that requires special enthusiasm in opening. Oh, I've got that too. Alright. Alright. The whole gang's here, folks. We're all ready. We've got our strain device. I hope you're ready to strain. Oh, and I have a joke. What do you call a teacher that doesn't fart in class? A private tutor. My brother always comes up with these really, really bad jokes, and my wife found that one. She's like, next time you talk to your brother Moshe, tell him this one. I'm like, okay, I'm down. He'll like that. I should be talking to him tomorrow. I think I should. Yeah, it's been almost a month. It's like we used to talk every week. Now it's like getting on a monthly basis. What? Gotta fix that. I don't know. Summer's tough because in the summer, it's like, you know, I got the kids all day, and so it's kind of difficult. But we'll see. All right, it's taco time. Drain noodle completely. It's what I have done. Okay. Now, I'm really curious about this stuff, but like I said, I'm not going to taste it on this episode. Well, not in front of you. I'm going to do it in private after. I don't know. And then I'll give you a full rundown. Is this all that's in here? It feels like there should be more. I feel like I'm getting... There's a powder and there's that, but I know there was another sachet. Ah, it's still in here. Good. I knew there was a garnish. I'm like, don't even try to get past me. Noodle seasoning stuffs. I predict that unfortunately the Ukraine war does not end next year. I predict that the conflict with Gaza does not end next year. Those are rough predictions. I'm sorry, but I'm going from a place of like, why would they? What is going to happen that hasn't happened already that would cause those things to change? I think Gaza and Ukraine are going to go on forever until like Russia or Ukraine just decide, nah, screw it. And I don't see that happening anytime soon. They're mad. Mutually assured destruction. That could do it. But I don't know. I think Russia wants Ukraine for like the land, so they're not going to nuke them. At least I hope not. I have friends from that area, and I don't want them to be mitigated upon by such things. Okay. So there's our noodle. We drop this little bit of garnish on top. What do we got here? A bit of garnish on top. I hope I'm doing this right, because I'm not sure on the garnish part. I don't remember anything about that. It's taco, so since it's Taco Wednesday here, I guess, I should use some tortilla chips. These are the best tortilla chips ever. You can say, no, come on Ramen Raider, no. I'm sorry, they are. These are Juanita's. And then they changed the name, now they're Wontonios. I've never heard that, but I think it's maybe the two co-founders. I really don't know. I know stuff and things, but these are stuff and things I'm not so sure about. Well, a butt, the bowl with some chippy. Come on, give me another triangular one. So my wife got me into saying things. Sometimes I really like saying things the wrong way. And my wife had a boss that would order out for Mexican food. And she wouldn't call it salsa, she'd call it salsa. It's like, should we get some extra salsa? Yeah, that like makes her cringe, so. And I'm like, you know what sounds good? It's chips and salsa. There's some chicken. Hello, chicken. Oh, okay. I guess I'm gonna have to get in here. So, yeah, maybe you're watching this and it's New Year's Eve. That's alright. It's gonna be okay. I was gonna put some cheese on this, but I don't know. We've got some Finch. Holy guacamole. That's good guacamole too. I know somebody's thinking, you could have just made your own guacamole. I'm sorry, I don't have table service here. A little light sour cream. I mean, come on, it's a taco. I gotta add all the accoutrements. I think I do have cheese. Maybe I should do the cheese too. Write in the comments if I should use cheese. Oh, that won't work. Just write in the comments. Alright, what else? Sure, a green onion. Bounce the way I want. Yeah, just bounce to this. I predict that nothing good happens for Will Smith, the actor, in 2026. I also predict that nothing really bad happens to him. I think he is inconsequential in the year 2026. I know, but it's just to look at. Come on. That, I think, is that for this plate of taco flavored Korean artificial barbecued chicken flavored sauce noodle. And there you be. So rotate and gander. You know, I should have some like Spanish music. I should have some. Yeah. There we go. I don't know the origins of this music. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, and Happy New Year. May all of you be able to get home. May your homes be safe, and may all these crazy rich white people just chill the fuck out, because they're ruining everybody's lives. It's true. But yeah, on the next episode you should be on tomorrow you'll see a mukbang. Maybe I'll put it out at like on right after midnight. I don't know. I figured people will be doing stuff, but I don't care. Maybe there's just like one guy out there who's like, I had nothing to do. Yeah, I'll watch the Ramen Raiders premiere on right after the ball drops while I'm eating my obligatory burrito. Who knows? But with that, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day of 2026. Have a good one. Bye-bye.